Hi everybody, my name is Ramji. I will enroll my daughter Dia to the online handwriting course at lil-Brahmas. I find this very effective, mainly because it's the same as going there in person and learning the handwriting, but from your home. It saves me a lot of time from doing travel. It saves a lot of time and energy for me and as well as my daughter. So the teachers are very polite and they are very effective. They guide the child very well, and it's same as going there and learning. I find no difference between going there and learning it from home. It's that effective. The online platform they provide is safe and secure, and it's easy to connect. My daughter just logs in by herself whenever there is a class. I find it definitely worth, and I could already see her handwriting improve a lot within the first few weeks of the classes, and it's very good. Thank you, lil-Brahmas.